Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Piquant Post. This is a monthly spice subscription box. You have to forgive me, I'm not dressed for unboxings. I didn't know I was going to get a chance to make any today, so here I am making unboxings with all my laundry right there. Anyway, Piquant Post is a monthly spice subscription box. I do have a coupon code for them. I'll put that below. Each month-to-month subscriptions are $11.99. This is a great one because they coordinate everything around a region, like a world region. They send you 4 recipes and 4 coordinating spices. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find all that out together. I always cook one of these recipes too, so if you're interested in seeing that, like one made to completion, check my link below. I'll also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate links, so you can check them out as well. Ooh, all right. Ooh. So I'm looking at these. I don't know what it is. Za'atar, Baharat or 7 spice, Provence rose, and spicy mint blend. So I'm thinking this is somewhere that has a French influence, like Morocco is what I'm thinking, is like what I'm coming up with, right? All right, so, Lebanese, maybe that's what it is, because of the province, but I should have said that. I was thinking that in my head, I didn't make my lips form the words. All right, so our first recipe is the Za'atar roasted chicken. This is, Za'atar is to Lebanon as peanut butter is to America, so this is a staple food. Pressed to recommend only 1 spice blend from the Levant, Eastern Mediterranean region. So this is Mediterranean, was not really close at all. Sorry. I tried, right? Isn't that the fun of it? All right, so let's see which, I'm guessing this Za'atar goes with this. And I do like that this subscription, you get a different like level of, there's like really easy recipes, there's some that are a little more difficult, so you can work your way up, and depending on the night and the amount of time you have a lot of different options. So this, oh yes, this includes something I really love. So Za'atar is a mix of thyme, sumac, which is one of my favorite spices. I found it through spice subscriptions, and I love, like, there's a dressing you can make. What is this salad called? It's like a, I don't remember the name. Fatouche, is that it? I think so. And you use like a pomegranate, molasses, and sumac, and it is divine, absolutely delicious. Oregano, marjoram, and sesame seeds. So I cannot wait to try this. It looks pretty easy. Prep time is 10 minutes. Cook time is 45. And this is, I'm going to tell you right now, this is what I'm making. And it doesn't involve a lot of different ingredients. So you're going to use chicken, the olive oil, the Za'atar spice, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds. I'm actually going to see if I can sub that for the molasses I already have. Then I don't even have to get a pomegranate. 1 lemon, parsley, and salt and pepper. That's it. 4 steps. So super easy. All right, next we have Lebanese moussaka. So this looks like it involves a little bit more. There's a little bit more ingredients, and there's a little bit more instructions. So this would be something you'd make on a Sunday when you have, or maybe whenever you have a whole day to yourself to just make dinner. So this is, it's a popular Greek dish. Oh, no, never mind. This is like completely different. So there's a Greek moussaka. There's also Lebanese moussaka. So I'm going to go ahead here and find the spice that we're going to use, the spicy mint blend. So I've never tried anything that's spicy mint. That's interesting to me. My kids sometimes think peppermint is spicy, which is interesting, but not related. So this contains spearmint, which is my favorite mint, by the way. Smoked paprika. My husband is a die-hard fan of smoked paprika, and it's not that easy to find like where we live, so I don't know. Cayenne, cumin, and coriander. Sorry, I had a little guest. All right, so next, I'm guessing that this vanilla ice cream with rose water is associated with the Provence rose. As you guys know, if you have watched my channel for long enough, you know that I love florals, and hair just be okay. I love, in particular, rose. I love things flavored with rose. That is my jam. So this doesn't look like it's very hard at all. Prep time 5 minutes, cook time 7 minutes. Boom, baby. That might be a nice dessert with our Za'atar. So in here is just Provence rose. So it's rose and centifolia. Very nice. Now, I don't know if it's like going to be like a powder. I'm curious what it's going to be like. Is it going to be like a little petal piece, like kind of mortar and pestled petals. I don't know. Our last one is lamb baharat. This is super easy as well. So this is a prep time of 5 minutes and a cook time of 10 minutes. So you're going to use lamb chops, canola oil, the baharat spice, couscous, dried fruit like cranberries, dates, or apricots. So you're going to get like a trail mix type fruit. I might actually make my own in the dehydrator for this one. And then some sliced almonds or chopped pistachios, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. So in this spice blend is black pepper, allspice, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and smoked paprika as well. Apparently they like smoked paprika, little smarties. So that actually looks really delicious. That actually looks super delicious. We don't eat lamb a lot because it's harder to get and it's kind of expensive. And there's a lot of us. But I still want to try this. It looks super yummy. Anyway, so that is everything that I received in the Piquant Post March subscription. If you're interested in checking out my full review, check that out below. If you're interested in checking out Piquant Post, I will link to them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.